Hello, my name is Apollo Woods. I'm the founder and CEO of OKC Black Eats. I got some food in my hand. And guess where we're at? We're at the second annual Black Foodie Summit on the east side of Oklahoma City at Bistro 46. And as you can see behind me, we're having a great time with a lot of vendors, a lot of great food. Here's the real question is, why are we doing this? We're doing this to bring attention to all the great black culinary chefs and food trucks and caterers in Oklahoma City. And as you can see behind us, the response is very good. The purpose of us doing this as OKC Black Eats is that we want to stimulate small business and local business to stimulate the economy. And guess what? We're having a good time. We will continue doing this again next year.
I'm Dave Cathey. I'm the food dude for the Oklahoman. This is the first time I've ever been to this event. It is amazing. I cannot believe the crowd. It's so great and all this wonderful food. The next thing for me is to dive into some of that, which I cannot wait to do. And I can't wait to come back next time because this is this thing is happening.
Hi, my name is SYLVIA'S, the owner of Vesa's Soul Food. We're here at the second annual food summit. I have gumbo, collard and mustard greens mix, my good old famous Auntie May's punch. I have a 7 a pound cake, and we also have grilled pork chops. And that's it, right? And this is my helpers, Vanessa Burge and Quita Walker, and also my granddaughter Anaya. So we here, we turning it out.
Hello, I'm Otika from NyRea's place. We are a catering company. We cater all your needs. Just call me and I got you. We have Buddy Beans. This company is a remembrance company for my father and my best friend. We both love to cook. My dad taught me how to cook, so that's how this company became. We have Buddy's Beans and lemon pepper chicken for y'all today.
Hello everybody, this is Dani with Dani's Desserts. I am craving everybody's sweet tooth. Whatever you want sweet wise, I'll be able to deliver for you. Today I have some banana pudding, which is my goodness pudding, my bestseller. I have some strawberry cake, which is my spectacular strawberry, and then I have the cherry cheesecake today. We're just out here having fun, enjoying everybody's black chefs and everybody's cooking, and I hope you all have a great day. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sylvia Love, and I'm the owner of Sylvia's Homemade Butter Cookies. I am very excited about what I have to offer to Oklahoma. I bake these amazing butter cookies with love, from my last name Love, and the passion that I have for God. And I love that people love my cookies because I love them myself. It's actually a comfort cookie, and I do all flavors. So I'm just ready for the world to try my product.
Yes, hello, my name is Damone Butler. I'm the owner of Bentley and Bosh Executive Cleaning. We were voted one of the top 3 commercial cleaners for 2018 and 2019. We offer kitchen exhaust hood cleaning. We clean hard surfaces. We also degrease kitchens. We also do residential floors. And we're just here to support the vendors and support Oklahoma.
My name is Felisa Cargal, and I am the Poetically vegan. And I do vegan food to help people start a vegan lifestyle or even just want to transition to a vegan lifestyle. All you see on my table is vegan and it's plant-based, and I help people transition one plate at a time. So that's what I do. My name again is Felisa Cargal, and I am the Poetically vegan. And welcome to my plate.
Hi, my name is Sarita Hines, and I'm a pastry chef owner of the Cow BAKESHOP. I come from a long line of women who bake, so I'm just creating my own legacy. So what I have for you guys today, I have made sparkling wine panna cotta, smoked salmon, cream puffs, and tequila, key lime, pound cake bites.
My name is Gregory Martin. I run Mero. We are an underground restaurant, and I'm a personal and private chef. Right here we have today Asiago chicken. It's a chicken mousse wrapped in prosciutto, cooked in 2 hours. And then we have some tenderloin potato bravas cooked in vinegar and with a chimichurri sauce and a sour cream and lime dressing. What I do is pretty much I make a lot of cool stuff. We do molecular comfort food, so people get different takes. So we make different things every time. So that's what it is.
Okay, hi, I'm James Polk, Chef James Polk, with my wife, Jacoby Polk. We're the owners of Polk House Restaurant. It's a Southern style restaurant. Come on down at 23rd and Lottie, 2319. Also today we have a rendition of shrimp and chicken Alfredo. So come on out and enjoy. Thank you.
My name is Nicholas White. I'm one of the co-founders of Vanessa House Beer Company, and we're out here at the Black Foodie Summit today. We've got a couple different beers. Have the Broken Tile Double IPA, the T-Shirt IPA, the second anniversary stout, and the Powers Out Vanilla Stout. So a couple different offerings today. Powers Out Vanilla Stout's got that vanilla in it, nice sweet finish. Second anniversary has a chocolate and coffee notes, on it. Again, a nice even balance. And then the Broken Tile Double IPA, it's got a real fruity notes on it just because of the hop build. People get a lot of grapefruit or pineapple notes on it. Very tasty.
Hey guys, I'm Shayna. I'm with Anthem Brewing. I'm the brand ambassador and lead sales, and this is my guy.
Ron Tates. I'm one of the bartenders and event guys for Anthem Brewery as well.
Yep. We're here today. We've got a couple of beers to sample. We've got new of our summer line in, some of our old stuff, some of the good new stuff.
We do have the golden one. The golden one is our best seller. It is our flagship beer. It's a Belgian style golden ale. Plenty of flavor, very popular in the tap room. We have our IPA. Our IPA is more of a Citra hop style IPA. Not too hoppy, very refreshing. We also have our Arjuna for the people that like the lighter stuff. So if you're more of a Blue Moon fan, you want something that you want to maybe put like an orange into and like sip it on the patio, then Arjuna is going to be the beer for you. And we also have our Summer Rotator, which is a super fancy. It is apple saison, very similar to, I mean, if you're into ciders or anything like that, then this will be kind of the beer for you.
Good afternoon. I'm Dani Beecham, and I am the owner, along with my family, of Bistro 46. So let me tell you a little bit about what we do. We are a soul food restaurant that is open 3 days a week on Thursdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Thursdays hours are 11 to 3 and then 6 to 9. Fridays are 11 to 3 and then 6 to 9. Sundays are 12 to 4. So we have soul food on Thursdays and Fridays. And Friday evenings we have an all-you-can-eat seafood buffet. On Sundays we have an all-you-can-eat soul food buffet. We have many different foods that we put on the menu, but they are pretty consistent across the different weeks of the month. And you can check out our webpage, contact at bistro46okc.com.
Right. I am TJ, the executive chef of my company called My Chef. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook at MEYECHEF, and that's on Facebook and Instagram. I am a private chef that does catering, birthday parties, special events, and in-house cooking as well. What we have here today are my lump crab tacos. These are a crispy wonton shell fried with lump crab and my signature garnishments with blue cheese. And then what we have on the other side would be my shrimp wontons. They're baked, and then the shrimp is grilled with rosemary, and that's what we have on display for today. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Greetings from Chef Paul's Place, Cuisine of the Soul. We are located at 217 South Sooner. This is Chef Paul, and I'm Cynthia. And today at the summit, we're serving his signature fried hamburger, and we're serving shrimp and grits, along with his catfish crawlers and neck bone soup and the barbecue soup.
Hi, my name is Councilwoman Nikki Nice. I represent Ward 7 of Oklahoma City, and I love the Black Foodie Summit because food is what brings us all together. It's a time for us to gather, a time to talk, and we can always have easy conversations over food. And I think it's important for us to recognize our Black-owned restaurants and food trucks that are within our city, and to also understand that they are here, find out what foods they offer, and to be able to be patrons of their business, because it's about small business. We're supporting small business. We're supporting this summit. Last year we had the same type of atmosphere. This year is bigger and better, and we hope every year it gets just as engaging, and more restaurants will be added to the list of food trucks and opportunities that come when we're looking at a Black Foodie Summit, and also our Black-owned restaurants and Black-owned operated business that are within Oklahoma City.